Law Officer of India, Vikramjit Banerjee, as you are blamed on the community of India, Bengali, leftist and Bengali, all are political, all non-religious. Since there is no religious people in Bengal to recognize, to learn either Swami Vivekananda or Tagore or Shankaracharya or Rishi Aurobindo, others, etc. Now you have come as a reappointed. You have to give all the response of mine. I have this Facebook. You have to see this all Facebook data matters is remain intact. How many there you have, you do not know of that. Now this has come, I am Raj Kathan. That where, how many data is there, you have to give answer if it is locked by anyone. This Mother Choda has been completed by various, unless you people has to be lynching, killed by lynching, mob lynching, you have not seen those. Whatever mob lynching has been done by wrong people to wrong people against, as thieves has seated on the court of the thieves, rapist has seated on the court, and killer has come to give judgment of killers. As a compromise, anarchy that cannot be continued as per Ghour Koligos, you have to read Vishnu Puran, etc., Tulsidas Ramayana or Ramayana, etc., in different chapter you can find as a Banerjee. You are Banerjee. This is my, I have mentioned you, this is my, where this, the same Rabindranath Roy, Mukteswar Maharaj Ji, these persons you have to identify his greatness at Rishi Aurobindo. Why you have come as a law officer, you have to inform all this message to Supreme Court. On behalf of you have to work all citizens of India. They are innocent, they does not know. This constitution and the culprit criminals had hijacked whole Indian people. That cannot be tolerated further. The bastard Mahatma Gandhi is not Mahatma, it is a crooked Atma. He is foolish, Nehru was foolish, thus it's the present day constitution just looting, killing of innocent, Annadatta, etc. No political party is suitable for this post. So far have been found. I have shown this page. Yes, I have shown this page. This is my one. I have shown this is a same person, Rabindranath Roy. I have mentioned Adhyatmic Guru, as I mentioned. All these proofs are there. One has been locked. That I am to going, which one has been locked. All this cloud photo has to be critically saved. You has to look after all this complaint as I have made. If you want to see, I am from Arambagh. I am a very critical person to punish. Nobody will be escape from punishment, as I have come on as a God behalf. Because I have to punish all illegal person, whatever in judicial, police or ministers, investigation, everywhere, who have locking my CCTV, all these cameras, etc. Those answers you are supposed to give. This is my Mukteswar Institute as the same person. I am the same person. I have not mentioned here, but I am the same person, Rabindranath Roy. It is my Gurudev, what you are seeing my side, where I have mentioned is Rabindranath Roy. It is the same. These three is created by me for the same to save the humanity. And Indian, where Indian is obviously included. So another is there which has been stopped. That is
कश्मीर में पथराव बंद हो गया है, बंगाल में पत्थरबाजी शुरू हो गई है। सारे आप मान लीजिए देश के सबसे बड़े पार्टी दुनिया में सत्ता में उनके अध्यक्ष हैं वो राज्यसभा के
that probably will not, they will not allow me to open that page where I have to mention those pages. This Mamata, that Sare Wasare, this has been locked and disabled by this Ajit Mohan, that culprit criminal, digital criminals of India. And you has to take all this information. Nobody will be spared.
मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ के लोग इस पार्टी को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे।
आपने डायमंड हार्बर की घटना के बाद एक पोस्ट शेयर और आपने उसमें ये लिखा, मैं एग्जैक्टली पढ़ रहा हूँ, बदला होवे बदलाव होवे, इसका क्या मतलब निकाला जाए?
This one, that Modi Mamata Sare Ahita. I want to see this page. Get to news feed. Yes, this content is not available at the moment. Why? This has been locked. And that you have to crucially verify this one. Here is a lot of scientific document to save the humanity. That cannot be compromised. And Supreme Court, especially you people cannot be, so many people was law officer I have seen, and right to information, it is not being possible for me to attend this scope as a lot of libraries and going outside and digital hacking, there is a lot of problem. For me, as I am the kingly person of India, for that it is very risky, because I have surplused all people's knowledge and testified giving that so many emails. I am unable to open this email, and later on I will show you what my email content.
उन्होंने 3 बार सरकार को प्रार्थना की कि मुझे भेजा जाए दिल्ली।
I am trying to open that page if they allow me.
इनको तो वगैरह में खड़ा करना चाहिए कि कैसे जैसे बड़े नेता के साथ इस प्रकार जब होता है आक्रमण, आप कहाँ क्या थे, कहाँ कर रहे थे? या तो आप पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड है, या तो आप गैर जिम्मेदार हैं।
You see this if they are allowing me to open, because lot of time they are harassing me by blocking, hindering me last 6 years. This is not a joke, but you people as the government, you are the pillar of law keeping.
उसमें हमारे विकास में उसमें विघ्न आता है, ये इनकी राजनीति है।
गवर्नर की भूमिका को लेकर भी जगदीप धनखड़ साहब की भूमिका को लेकर ममता बनर्जी लगातार सवाल उठाती है, टीएमसी लगातार सवाल उठाती है, क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप?
देखिए, ममता बनर्जी की गलतियों पर जो उंगली करेगा, ममता बनर्जी की गलतियों का पर जो उंगली उठाएगा, जो उनका आलोचना करेगा, वो उसको बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा। गवर्नर के बारे में क्या क्या शब्द प्रयोग करते हैं, उनके नेता खुद ममता बनर्जी, मेरे शब्दों को आप बोल रहे हैं, ममता बनर्जी जिस प्रकार शब्द प्रयोग करते हैं, किसी शब्द जगत में ऐसा नहीं होता। और गवर्नर साहब बोलते हैं कि मैं अपने संविधान का दायरे में काम कर रहा हूँ, इस प्रकार के संविधानिक काम कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए सुनने वाले ऊपर है, सरकार है, माननीय प्रेसिडेंट है, उनसे बात क्या सिस्टम में जाए, उनको व्यक्तिगत रूप से गाली देना, उनका गाड़ी पर काला झंडा दिखाना, ये लोग
आपको लगता है, क्योंकि कैलाश विजयवर्गीय कह चुके हैं, आपके कई नेता स्टेट के कह चुके हैं कि आपको लगता है राष्ट्रपति शासन लगना चाहिए बंगाल के अंदर चुनावों से पहले?
नहीं लगना चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए। देखिए, हमारी पार्टी की जो सिद्धांत रहा है, मैंने भी कभी नहीं डिमांड किया है, हम लोकतांत्रिक पद्धति से लड़कर के सरकार को बदलेंगे, लेकिन आज जो स्थिति बन रही है, पानी तो सर के ऊपर से चला गया है। अब सामान्य लोग जो बोल रहे हैं कि राष्ट्रपति शासन नहीं है, नहीं तो इलेक्शन नहीं हो पाएगा, लोगों की मन में डर आ रही है।
राष्ट्रपति शासन लगना चाहिए कि नहीं लगना चाहिए?
नहीं, हम कभी डिमांड नहीं की, हम करेंगे भी नहीं।
lot of misdoing to entering, they are hindering me. At this time, I am not able to.
आप पर बड़ा आरोप है, आपके नेताओं पर बड़ा आरोप है कि आप लोग हिंदू मुसलमान कर रहे हैं। योगी आदित्यनाथ आते हैं, ममता बनर्जी कहती है कि किसी को कोई काम नहीं है। ये लोग सब यहाँ पर आते हैं और यहाँ पर कॉम्युनल डिवाइड क्रिएट करने के लिए आ रहे हैं। और तो ये सार्वजनिक आरोप है कि आप हिंदू मुसलमान को divide
Issue this. How many number mine sent
मैं उल्टा बोलता हूँ यहाँ
email
जो संख्यालघु उनके लिए अलग हॉस्पिटल है
is near about
पॉलिटेक्निक है उनके
913 and people you cannot estimate how many people has been sent this email for life-saving purposes. Nobody has given answer acknowledgement. It is Digital India safe. Digital India is used by this criminal, digital criminal. This research set up email, social media help them to unite unitedly, combinedly with your judicial system, politician, police to do crime against humanity, India. That you has to ask me to ask settle to you has to ask government to set up one special court at Mahajati Sadan of Bishnupur, where that original called Bankura district probably was from Banerjee, it may be from Bankura or Purulia, Birbhum district. That you has to assure all those things.
देश के संविधान के अनुसार कहीं भी जागरूक पार्टी कर सकते हैं चुनाव लड़ सकते हैं
They are hindering me. So you just see, I am coming this page.
बंगाल में लगा किसी को मुसलमानों को तरक्की नहीं हुई है
You have seen this page content. When magnified, that will come. I am just taking all those discrepancy.
ने कहा कि बीजेपी अगर विधानसभा चुनाव नहीं जीती तो ममता बनर्जी की हत्या करवा सकती है।
So all those thing has. Now you come my Twitter. Twitter you has to critically collect all information. You has to collect all this information. Who I am, all has been given here. This is my sign. I am Dr. Rabindranath Ray as a scientific pension taker, unless as a spiritual guru. I am only one man, as my Gurudev was only one, because in this line there will be no second immediate parallel or to understand those knowledge inserted by Guru, which is called Jagat Guru. This type of Guru you have not seen, not Ramakrishna Paramahansa was that power what my Gurudev was having. Because I am unable to this condition of anarchic state where lot of problems. So I am showing all those my posting each and everybody, even this man, a half married or Kamala Harris. I have given all those complaints because Donald Trump has been kept away to reach him. Once I have reached, but this time Narendra Modi has badly instilled him to reach because he lost my all postal communication, not sending at dumping at Dum Dum airport. So you have to show this my all these things, you slowly moving this mind. You do not feel that you can have the Satkhun map what Narendra Modi is giving these ladies Bhalka. And what if they say they give advantage save the ocean? This is very criminal slogan. It has to be stopped. Indian Ocean cannot be used by these people. And he has written very good. For I have introduced all those things. So many things I cannot show at this time. If they allow me, I do. So many links, YouTube video links has been attached this. That I have. This man, I have also communicated in his tweet as an American USA senators or representative, I do not know. This bastard, I claim bastard because he is not eligible to remain in the post as I have challenged. As I challenge to each and everybody Supreme Court, you have to rectify your stand to giving my me scope as at so many life losing, climate change, digital hacking, Indian security, armies, people's, each and every people's integrity, sincerity, but you are taking a lot of money. You are looting lot of money. If it is their salary started, and what will be total value, I do not know. And Supreme Court, judges salary is not given here. It's not given the judges. Where they are, who to say those what they are drawing. You have to inform me. And how they are drawing such much amount of crime doing when farmers are unable to maintain producing 3 to 9 times higher, still they are poor. All those answers has to be. And this bogbas, it will be stopped mid-reading. This mid-reading will be stopped. I do not tolerate this
We'll have to
misleading.
play a role.
Justice of
This
the
people's-
Supreme Court of India,
Because this bastard also lost his
the
life.
Supreme Court of India,
That
that the Constitution
all
clearly
these
set out
presidents,
path
the
to be
Arun
followed
Jaitley,
by
etc.,
a
lost
sovereign democratic republic
by the
which is
criminals
India.
that you have to
In a
learn with
democratic
my what
country
I have
like
mentioned
India,
in every
judiciary
way.
plays a vital role in governing a welfare
So I am coming here
the custodians
again
of
to my
fundamental
to
rights
whom I
and
have not
freedom
mentioned
of citizens'
tweeted.
access to justice
To
must
whom
be
I have not
all
mentioned.
pervasive ethics that
You
inform
to
all
get
levels
this
of judicial
all
system
information.
and must be
How many
implemented in
I
a
have
concrete
tweeted.
manner, having regard to the particular problems and challenges of the Indian polity, foremost among which is pervasive
Profile.
lack of legal awareness.
You see,
Several awards and accolades were
tweeted
distributed
number
to honor
because
the
in
efforts
fear
of the judicial staff.
nobody will be
The
able
event's
to follow
highlight
me.
was the release of a film produced by Doordarshan on the
So
Supreme
total
Court
tweets
titled
tweeted
Truth
by me
Alone
within
I
a year,
Uphold
not even a year.
by the Honorable
I
Law
have
and
joined, you
Justice
will see
Minister
this June,
D.V.
and I have
Sadaనంda Gowda
tweeted this
and the then
much.
Chief Justice of
Your
India,
Prime Minister
Honorable
has
Justice
not done
H.L.
this much of tweeting material. All this tweeted master, you have to ensure that has been kept as a historical data. It is unprecedented historical data has been given all the Facebook, and particularly you have to
pillar of India's democracy.
recovery my all data from
The
this.
body that has
What
the
I am
last say
mentioning
in the
here,
most controversial,
this particular
difficult,
Facebook
yet
what has
critical
been
issues in the
compromised,
land.
which is for
What
me
the Supreme
for
Court decides binds every
That-
citizen of the country. It is the upholder
take
of the
much
preamble
more
of our
time.
Constitution.
because lot of
A memorable date in the history of
Lot
the
of
Supreme Court.
hindering
On this
me.
indelible day, the senior
How
Supreme Court judge,
Those you have
Justice
to
T.S.
learn
Thakur,
for me
was sworn
gradually,
in
and you
as
can
the
learn
43rd
this
Chief
reading
Justice
this
of India.
Facebook. Whole Supreme Court and law
Praising the
minister
occasion
has to
with
enter in
his
my
presence, Prime Minister
Facebook
Narendra
content.
Modi, along
No,
with his
you
cabinet
have to
ministers
enter.
and other esteemed dignitaries.
Who has removed, I do not know.
Chief Justice of India, Shri Justice Tirath Singh Thakur.
I, Tirath Singh Thakur,
Somebody has
appointed Chief Justice
removed my that content probably. I was unable to
Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of
open
India.
that
In the name of God,
portion. Still they cannot hinder me because